Welcome back to the PPM Racing Products YouTube channel. I am Hunter, and today we're going to talk to you about our one-piece lower control arms. So, starting off, we have various different ones for different chassis. All the way from the new XR1 and Longhorn stuff, all the way back to our Warrior and GRTs. But what we do different on some of ours is like our Rocket Blue Grays, is on the strut tube, we use an adjuster. It is a 5/8 left hand on one side and a 5/8 right hand on the other. And along with this, you will need a female 5/8 Heim. What this does is allow you to adjust your caster on left or right front, depending on which chassis you have. All of our lower control arms are made out of thick wall tubing. The only thing that we ask you to check is your Heim sizes, because on most of our stuff, they either have a 5/8 or a 3/4 right hand thread. Along with that, all of our lower control arms have a Moog 727 pocket, which we have all the ball joints you'll ever need. We just need to know what spindle you're running, or if you even know the taper, and we can get you set up. How you measure on your lower control arms, because some chassis offer two different sizes on either side. You measure from the center of your ball joint pocket to the center of your Heim on the lower section of the control arm. And with that, as long as it has a drop shock mount, all of our stuff comes with a bushing for your shocks. We offer them, like I said, for any chassis, and even double check on your chassis, because some of the newer chassis now come with a reverse strut lower control arm. So make sure you check that and give us the proper information. We carry Heims, ball joints, adjusters, everything you need to get you back on the racetrack. So to order yours today, check in the link in the description below to go to our website, or even give us a call, and I'll be more than happy to take care of you. Thank you for watching.